Let's make a foundation chain of 18. We'll start in the first row in the third space from the hook. Yarn over, insert, pull out, yarn over and go through the first 2 chains. Now you have 2 on the hook, yarn over again and you're done with the first double crochet. Now chain up 2, yarn over and skip 2, insert in the third space. Keep on with double crochets, always skipping 2 and working 1 till the end of the row. Okay, chain up 2 when you are at the end of the row. At the end of the row, you do your last double crochet and after you'll chain up 2 and turn your work. Then you chain up other 2 and start the second row with double crochets. Keep on with double crochets, always skipping 2. You have to repeat the same pattern. You work 1, chain up 2, skip 2 and work 1. This till you have 5 squares per row. Every time you start another row, you chain up 2, turn your work and then chain up another 2. The work is quite repetitive, very easy to follow. And you will work like this until you have a total of 14 squares. 14 rows. Okay, you'll do an identical one, so another rectangle of 14, and you overlap the 2, insert the hook into the top left corner and take a new thread. We're going to weave these loose ends while working, so you're not doing any more double but all single crochets. You're gonna work 2 single crochets per every space. Remember to always weave in the loose ends. I'll meet you at the end. Add 2 extra single crochets to make the corner every time. So instead of having just 2 for the corner, you'll have 4. For the strap, you have to simply chain up. When you are at the end, you keep chaining up for 180 stitches, and you attach the other top corner, and then you have to work up single crochets till you go back to the starting end. So you'll start working backwards in single crochets, just following the long chain you have created. You're done.